All right, class, here I am on therhythmtrainer.com. I've done this with you before, but today we're ready to try some advanced rhythms. I'm going to walk you through mode A and then later mode B. Make sure mode A is selected, tempo is slow, beat highlight is on, and the rhythms we want to select are quarter and eighths. Today we're going to use friendly rhythms, and we're going to say bill, opus, blueberry, grammar frog, happy hippo, and rest. Okay? If that's confusing what I just said, go back and watch my earlier video called Friendly Rhythms. Well, let's give this a try. We play. Well, that was some easy rhythms. That was opus, 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 rest. I want to get to some 16th note rhythms. Let's do it. Now, you might need more practice on this. I think that started with grammar frog. Let's see if I'm right. I heard grammar frog, opus, happy hippo, blueberry. Now, you're going to want to listen to it as many times as you need to and do a bunch of these. I'm going to go back to the main menu. I forgot to submit my answer, huh? You have to submit your answer. Let's go to mode B, same settings, slow tempo, beat highlight, same 6 rhythms. The difference between blueberry and grammar frog is usually the most confusing for kids. In blueberry, since the first syllable is longer, we want the longer 8th note, and the fast one's in the back. Mode B, before you listen to the choices, practice saying it. So here I see happy hippo, grammar frog, bill, bill. Let's listen for that one. Ooh, I don't think it was that. That's it. Let's choose D. Let's choose D, and I'm right. Let's try one more. Happy hippo, bill, opus, blueberry. Now I think it's that one, but we always want to listen to all 4 choices. It is C. We're right. Well, I want you to practice that at home. The website is therhythmtrainer.com. I'll put a link to it in the description to this video, also on our website where I post all our assignments. Happy practicing!